In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Google Docs into Google Sites. Whether you're a student looking to share work with classmates or a professional preparing a collaborative project, this guide will simplify the process. Let's dive in and get started. First, let's talk about why embedding a Google Doc into your Google site can be beneficial. Embedding allows you to seamlessly integrate content from your documents into your site without having users open a separate tab or window, keeping all your information in one easily accessible place. To begin, the first step is to navigate to your desired Google site. Once you're on the site, locate and click on the Insert option on the right-hand sidebar. This is where you can add all sorts of elements to your site, but today we'll focus on embedding a Google Doc. Look for the Docs option and click on it. This will allow you to access your Google Drive and select the document you want to embed. Now take a moment to think about which document you intend to include. This can be any Google Doc that you have access to on your drive. After selecting the appropriate document, the next step is to embed it, making sure your document is updated and correctly reflects the information you wish to display. If the content of your document changes regularly, note that any updates made to the doc will be automatically reflected on your site, making it a dynamic and up-to-date resource. Once you've selected your document, go ahead and click the Insert button. This will place your chosen document directly onto your site. It's that easy. Feel free to adjust the size and alignment of the embedded document to fit the layout and design of your site. It's important to ensure the embedded document enhances your site's content rather than overwhelm it, so take into consideration how much space your document will occupy on the page. An important tip while doing this is to check your site's final look by using the preview feature. This allows you to see exactly what your users will experience when they visit your site. And that's all there is to it. You now have a Google Doc successfully embedded into your Google site. This straightforward yet effective process can enhance your site's functionality, allowing you to display documents that are not just static pieces of text, but live and interactive elements that can enhance user engagement. Thank you for following along. With practice, these steps will become second nature, enabling you to effortlessly integrate your documents and enhance your Google site's interactivity. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials just like this. See you next time.